What's the first thing you do when you come across a question that you don't know the answer to? What do you do if you want to know who won Miss Universe 1989 or how the NBA Finals went? Unless you're not from this century, most likely you'd say that you'd look it up online or simply Google it. In fact, the definition of the word Google is already available on Merriam-Webster's online dictionary. Due to the dominance of the Google search engine, to Google became a transitive verb. That may be beside the point now. What I really want to say is, if you're watching this video, you probably know what Google is and you may have already been using it on a daily basis. Now, how would you like me to tell you that you can make hundreds, even up to $1,000 just by using the Google search engine? Oh yes, I'm serious. Make sure to watch till the end of the video so you'll know the nitty-gritty of this whole process. If you search for ways to make money online and you stumbled upon this video, I'd especially like to welcome you to the OMG channel. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Please know that I appreciate you. I'm your online money girl and I teach people all over the world the best and newest ways to make money online. I'd love to know what you think of my videos, so please hit the big thumbs up button if you find them informative and let me know in the comments if there are some money-making methods you would like us to feature. Of course, don't miss out on the latest online gigs, so be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. This procedure that I'm going to share with you is pretty simple. If you've watched my other videos, you know that the processes I share are always simplified so anyone can do it. The basics that you need are only a laptop and an internet connection. Now let's get down to business. Let me first introduce the company who would be paying you. They're called MindSumo. MindSumo is the largest millennial community for open innovation and insights. It was created to change the way that creative thinkers and companies work together. Today, MindSumo has become the leading platform for millennial and Gen Z problem solvers to apply their creativity and innovation by working on projects from top companies from around the world. Their community is currently made up of over 700,000 problem solvers from 6 continents and over 3,000 universities. Just a quick note, this opportunity is not limited to students or millennials and Gen Z. Anybody can create an account on MindSumo with only a valid email. MindSumo helps companies connect with people through real-world skill-based competitions. By solving interesting problems, you gain experience, win cash prizes, and stand out to potential employers. These online crowdsourcing projects are called challenges. These challenges have been launched by over 100 of the Fortune 500 and can help students showcase their skills and attract some of the world's top employers. Needless to say, you would need to create an account to be a part of the MindSumo community. You can associate your Facebook or Twitter account for a smoother sign-up process. If you go through the registration form, you'll need to enter the first and last name, location, email, birth date, gender, and you'll be asked to create a password. Below that, you'll also need to provide your creativity, technical, and marketing skills. I suggest choosing at least average proficiency so you can participate in more challenges. After that, you also need to answer the question, why are you interested in MindSumo? I recommend saying things like, you want to polish your creative and problem-solving skills by facing real-life problems. The second question that you need to answer is, what types of projects are you most interested in solving? To give you an overview, the projects will most likely be in the fields of business, engineering, computer science, food science, math and sciences, and humanities and arts. You can mention the topics you like the most, or you can even choose to participate in any challenges. After answering those fields, you can opt in to subscribe to their emails so you'll know about the latest insiders. If not, that's totally fine. However, you would need to tick the 3 boxes below to accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy. If you already have an account, you would want to scroll to the middle and check the available challenges on the left side of the page. You can browse them by skill. Choose a field, and you will then be directed to a list of challenges. When you click on a challenge, you'll find your deliverables. Basically, these are the questions that you need to answer to earn money. If you're on that page, you'll notice that a certain amount is displayed. For example, $1,600 for top 25. That means if your idea made it to the top 25%, you'll have a share of the $1,600 cash prize. If you have noticed, there are lots of challenges that you can participate in. That means you have lots and lots of chances to win them. Now, try selecting one challenge in a field of your choice. For example, if you choose business, you would want to look at the upper right part of the challenge. If it says complete, that means you better look for other challenges. You would want to participate in a project that tells you how many days are left for the challenge, or if it says new, that's even better. Once you click on a project, you will then find out what the deliverables are. The questions may vary, but a lot of them ask for your idea on how you can improve a product or experience. Sometimes you will be asked to design something or just answer some questions. Here's where Google comes in. As we know, the internet is a vast universe of knowledge and information, so why not use it to your advantage? An easy way is to copy the question from the challenge and paste it on a Google search bar. From there, the search engine will generate pages and pages of answers to your question. You may browse the articles and websites or simply gather ideas from there. After collecting ideas, you would like to put them all together in one Google Doc. Simply go to docs.google.com, select blank, and you'll basically have a sheet of paper. Put the ideas that you gathered from your Google search in the blank page. You can adjust the formatting so it would look more presentable. It would help if you use just one font, perhaps a professional looking one like Times New Roman, Arial, or Helvetica. It's up to you how you want the paragraphs to be divided and how big you want the font to be, but the standard size is 12. It would also be best not to copy-paste an entire article because MindSumo does not promote nor accept plagiarized ideas. The Google search is just to help you come up with ideas on how to answer the challenges. Once you're satisfied with your answers and you have made it look clean and professional, you can then save it as a PDF file to your PC. Then you're going to submit that to the website and done. That's how you participate in a challenge. If you're chosen as a challenge winner, then you get cash. Challenges are a great way to connect and share your ideas with interesting companies. This real-world project experience is something you should be referencing on your resume. MindSumo has an integrated payment system through PayPal. In order to cash out, go to your earnings page and click Cash Out Now. You will be prompted to connect your PayPal account if you haven't already. The cash out has to be manually approved by MindSumo, which usually takes 3 to 5 business days. The only way to earn cash is to solve as many challenges as possible. Your earnings also serve as a single metric to quantify your performance on the website. You can now use your total earnings to brag about your achievements and ideas. Here are some bonus tips on how to get a good solution rating on MindSumo. First, you have to meet the deliverables. That means you have to answer each of the sections directly. If questions were not addressed, you might get a low rating. Next is clarity. You need to present well-communicated, clear thoughts with good structure. That also includes good grammar and spelling. Lastly, novelty. The ideas that you submit should be unique. However, this is a little bit subjective as there are hardly any new or original ideas in the world. What I mean is that you can base your own idea on someone else's and apply your own creative spin on it. Like I said before, anybody can participate in the challenges, but it is best for students who are looking to hone their creative and problem-solving skills by tackling real-life industry problems. You can absolutely do it from anywhere in the world in your own time. If you find this video valuable and you're not already subscribed to this channel, give a love tap to that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you stay up to date with the latest news on how to make money online from the comforts of your home. As always, this is OMG saying BYE. See you on the next money making video.